The year 2024 was an important year. With our innovations such as the new 18-inch Sphere Premium wheels and the Aero Kit, we have taken the HYMER motorhomes to a new level, and with the RSX 8 LTD, we have shown that adventure, style, and comfort go hand in hand. No matter where your next adventure takes you, the freedom of travel has no limits with us. We also have new and really brutal deals for you in the 2025. Brand new, the HYMER AYERS Rock X with a price advantage of -15% saves you a fortune. These vans are available for takeaway with no down payment from just 849 euros per month. With outstanding features such as the powerful 180 horsepower engine, exclusive Nappa leather interior, fully digital instrument cluster, sky view panoramic roof, and Truma 6DE diesel heater with height altitude kit, and just a total length of 540 centimeters, they are the ideal companion, whether in everyday life or on extended vacation trips at any time of year.
PALMO.